Welcome to Peritus Financial and Inventory Management. This is lesson 5, where we'll be focusing on financial year ends. To start with, to get to financial year end, you will go to the spanner on the main menu. So looking at the main menu, you will see the setup spanner. Once you're inside the spanner, you will click on routine procedures. Routine procedures will take you to this screen, which is where you are able to block and unblock any specific part of the system for being able to process things in any period. From this page, you are able to select your financial calendar, which is over on the right hand side here. Once you have opened the financial calendar, you will see a list of all the financial periods that you have processed to date. If you right click with your mouse, you will see a menu saying create new financial year. Select create new financial year, and that will populate you a new year. A new financial year has been added to your financial calendar. Okay, it will also give you instructions of the next step. I will walk you through those as we go. I'm going to select save, and I'm going to exit financial calendar. I'm going to exit the routine procedures, and then I'm going to launch routine procedures again. Now that I'm back in my routine procedures, I'm going to select recalculate for debtors, recalculate for creditors, select the tick, recalculate for general ledger, and recalculate for stock, and I'm going to say do not update issue costs after deselecting all. Okay, proceed with stock. Yes. Recalculate debtors aging and recalculate creditors aging. At this point, you have created your new financial year, and you can continue processing all your stock items with all your job cards without having to pause. In order to move forward, you will need to recalculate once again once the financial year is actually completed. So once all the capturing for the previous financial year is completed, you will need to run through the recalculate procedures again. It may be wise to do it on a consistent basis between the time you create the new financial year and the time that you complete capturing. Okay, so the other areas to consider during a financial year end is this close off income and expense. Once you are into the new year and you have finished capturing all transactions for the prior year, you can go to close off income and expense. This gives you the option to close off income and expense for a particular period. You're going to leave it as period 0 because that is the end of the prior financial year, and select OK. It will tell you that you are going to be closing the year for the date that you are closing it as at. If you select yes, it will go ahead and tell you what the result will be. And it will give you a confirmation, and your year will be closed off. That is how to close off a financial year. That is how to create a new financial year. I hope that was helpful. I would like to recommend that you go in advance and block off any periods which are not going to be used in the short term. That way you cannot create accidentally things in the wrong financial year, and you can open them just before you need to use that area for processing. It creates less space for error. I hope this has been helpful, and I'll see you in the next session.